Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot. This one is KRAKEN K4 D52 TS14-S stamina type. Alright. So it's a booster type. So here's its stats. Which I don't know why my camera doesn't want to get any cleaner. But yeah. Attack is 2, Burst 0, Defense 6, Weight 3, Agility 3, Stamina 8. And link to BEYBLADE wiki down below in the description there. So let's get this thing open up and check it out. So this is, of course, a exclusive Bey made specifically by Hasbro. So here's what it looks like. There is KRAKEN K4 energy layer. There is its QR code. Still has a level chip spot there. But it's kind of weird. These right here don't really look like town coats like how a KRAKEN would have. They kind of look like some kind of little sharp nails almost type of claws. Probably more suited for like a crab type than a KRAKEN. Down here for kind of mustache mouth, kind of looks like double anchors. And here we kind of see like some kind of pitchfork Triton design going on there. Just looks very weird. For Force disc, it's disc 11, which I guess if you turn it this way, you kind of see one there and one there on the side, which makes up 11. And feeling this disc feels like it is kind of rough, that you will need to get a little bit of sandpaper and sand it down. Like they didn't quite sand it from the factory. And its performance tip or driver is called Prevail. That's why it kind of has like this little P on there. It kind of looks like it's almost rising up from the sea. So P as in Prevail. If you look down at the bottom, it kind of has like a little swirl design. And kind of sticks out a little bit like the driver on Blast Genius. But just not as big as Blast Genius driver. And then of course we get our little instruction sheet here. Telling us kind of what the driver does and how to do it. So right now it's in kind of like this spike mode. And if we turn it, twist it in. Huh. Okay, this doesn't seem to be doing a thing here, which is quite odd. Because usually they do something. So I twist it, I pulled it out. Huh. So this one you really don't notice a ding with this. I mean, right now it's in secondary mode, and it's supposed to hide that little spike tip in there, but my god, this is like the worst one. It doesn't do anything. And then if I turn it this way, the spike tip is just very exposed. I mean, come on, what the F? This one is like complete garbage. It doesn't do anything. Like here it shows that it's supposed to be a little bit exposed on the tip, which is what we have it in. And then you're supposed to turn, twist, pull, and then twist, and then it's supposed to go to like a whole flat almost. And yeah, just doesn't do that. So maybe this one's defective or something. Because you kind of see that the inner part of it is supposed to go inward and out. I'm pushing down on it. I'm pulling up on it. This one doesn't seem like it matters whatever way you have it. So, I don't know how good this driver is prevail. To me, the gimmick does not seem like it's working on prevail. It seems more like it's a fail instead of prevail. It's a prevail fail. Yeah. So we're going to have KRAKEN versus Ogre. Because why not? So you're going to have Stammer versus Attack. So both drivers are in the original driver format. And let's let Tap be Stammer. So we'll take this one and we'll just switch it to its secondary driver mode, which is maybe it does work, but you don't notice it when you're actually switching. I mean, like this one you can actually see like that. And then if I were to take this and figure out which way this thing goes, which is always a pain, and then pull it, and then of course. Yeah, don't tell me that this one's giving me problems too. Hair like that, which now it gets a little more taller and whole flatty. But yeah. I mean, this one seems to be a little bit more faster and aggressive. But again, only worth it for the energy layer. The force disc, maybe. The driver, no. Either way, the driver is complete, total garbage. So yeah, do not get this one for a driver. It's completely driver useless. But just for a new collection piece, it's okay. Definitely not a tournament battle ready. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.